Hey guys, Jeremy with Allstate's Home Improvement here at the home of John and Marcia Ward. They had a chimney that they were seeing and experiencing some wood rot on. They had an engineered wood-based siding on the home prior to us coming out and seeing them. Obviously needed to get it addressed because it was taking on water, and so we came out and we actually did replacement on the chimney with new siding from James Hardie fiber cement at that moment in time, the first time we were out, as well as replaced an entry door on the side of the garage that was also in disrepair. This last go around, we actually replaced all of the siding on the home besides the chimney, since it's already been done, with James Hardie fiber cement siding. We then came back in also and replaced every single window with our Soft Light Pro Series windows in the house. Beyond that, they also wanted to replace their front entry door and storm door. We then came back after that and we used our exclusive ceramic coating on the house called InsulShield, which provides an alternative to paint that lasts for 25 years on your home, not guaranteed not to chip, fade, or peel. And once that was all done, of course, we had to come back and put gutters on the house. If you would like us to come out and see you about anything regarding your home exteriorly or even on the bath on the interior, please give us a call at 316-945-4389.